to waterfalls. Alexa, where are you going? Waterfalls, okay. You look so cool, let's go. Now road is very bumpy. Oh, we just stopped in the coffee fields. Yeah, this is a coffee. Wow. Alexa, look. Coffee. Yeah. Let's go. It's a beautiful. Laos is unbelievable country. It's so nice and it's clean compared with Vietnam and Cambodia. Wow, we have arrived. Yeah, we arrived. Let's park a motorbike. Let's check this place. Wow, actually I got the tickets. Very cheap tickets. It's like $1 for adults and like 20 cents for kids. So let's check this out. Wow.
I will talk you what do you see?
Yes, some homemade products. Yes, locals are selling.
Look at this.
Wow, roots different. Hello. Hi. Look. Pumpkin, yes.
So today we will
Nice.
remember Mama, you remember when we eat the pumpkin.
Look at this dress. Wow. Welcome. Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready? Look this beautiful path through the nature.
Palm trees.
Palm trees, so many different trees.
These stones.
Wow.
Bamboo.
Yes, so many bamboo trees. Oh, I love this place. Wow, welcome to Tad Fan waterfall.
Look at this.
Ooh. It's over there.
Look at this. Here's it.
What is it?
Here's it there.
What's the name? Tad Fan waterfall. Wow, let's check. Wow.
Huge car.
Yes, look, Lexa. Wow.
That's there.
Wow, look at that zip line over there. Wow. I want to go there. Let's go. You want to try? Oh, so amazing. And this wind and weather, it's just perfect.